Welcome back to Flourish Field, and in today's video I'll be talking to you about Python strings. Let's start. The first thing I need you to do is to create the new file on Python ideally. So quickly I'll just do that. So I go to File, and then I save this work as a Python strings. Remember to save it in our folder. It's on desktop. It's FF tutorials. So I'll call it what? Strings. Yeah. So what is a string? Now a string is any value or any character or any letter that is surrounded with a quotation mark or speech mark. Let's say, for example, I want to declare my name, a name. Now, to declare a name, I'll surround it with a quotation mark. Say, David Mark. So this is a string. It is surrounded by speech marks or quotation mark. So whenever you see anything that is surrounded by speech mark or quotation marks, it is called a string. You can check on the link below, on the link above, to check my tutorials on data types. All right. So now let's go to the next one. How do we declare another string? Now to declare string again, you can also use a single quotation mark. That's another way of declaring a string. So I can call this what? John Wood. So this is another way of declaring a string. Is either you use this double quotation or single quotation to declare a string. Now, another way of declaring another string again is the multi-line string. Now, the multi-line string will take triple quotation mark. Okay, let's say, for example, I want to tell a story. All right, and then I would use what? A triple quotation mark. Now, this triple quotation mark tells Python that what? I want to use a multi-line. So I could use my multi-line description right now by saying what? My name is John. I am 7 years old. Although I'm not 7 years old, but I just want to use that. I'm 7 years old. I love programming. That's a multi-line string. I love playing basketball. See that? And my favorite programming language is Python. I've been able to write a multi-line string. Now let's check for our output. Remember again, what functions do we use for outputting our results? We use what? Print. So you say what? Print name. I'll go again. I will also copy and paste this. Print name. So I'll copy and paste this. So the second one is print name 1, and then I'll print what? Story. So now let's check this out. So when I run this, let's see, the first one says what? David Mark. Second one says what? John Wood. And then the third one is telling us a story. So that is how to declare a string. I hope you understand this. And that is how to declare a string. Now let me just give you one more tip before I end this video. Now the next thing I want to do now is let's check the data type. All right. Remember I created a video on data type, on typecasting, and I introduced you to some functions. So you can also check the link above or in the description below to check that tutorial before we continue. Okay. All right. So now let's check the types of string that we're using. So we're going to say what's print. Now we're going to print the type now. We want to check the type just for us to be sure that we're operating with what? A string, right? So we go type, go again, type. Let's just check the type, okay? Just for us to be sure. And then we go again for the last time, type. All right, so now let's save our work and then run it for the last time. Can you see now? Everything is a string. Class of string, class of string, class of string. Now, I've been able to show you in this video that to declare a string, you can use what? A double quotation mark, a single quotation mark, and a triple quotation mark. I hope you understand this video. If you have any question, you can use the comment section below. Click on the like button and remember to subscribe. Okay, and tell your friends about Flourish Field.